Hello. Today we are talking about the big storm that's going to impact California and Nevada and Arizona and the whole Southwest, as well as the Northwest. We're just talking about the Southwest today. Here is the storm right here. Here's 6 hours in the future. Actually, it's about now. And we're just going to time this out and see where it goes. So as you can see here, we have lots of snow in the Sierras, right? Lots in the snow in the Sierras around here, and then we also have the heavy rain coming to the Bay Area and in the Central Valley. The low pressure system that's causing all this is up here with a cold front that's attached upon it like this. Put some triangles on there. It's a cold front. There we go. And yeah, so this is a cold front. It's drawing moisture out of the deep tropical Pacific and making a jet. What do you call it? The atmospheric river. That's what it's called. Right through here. Straight to California, widening out. Boom. Lots of rain and snow in this general area. Okay, we're timing out a little more. We see that the atmospheric river moves south, and then it stalls south of the Monterey Bay, with snow going into the southern Sierra Nevada as well as the middle Sierra Nevada. Here's the jet stream still. Lows move closer to the coast. Here's kind of a cold front. This is kind of the reason that this is stalled is because it's become more detached from this low pressure up here. That's why I think it's become detached, and that's why it's just streaming. So if we keep going on, it's going to meander a little bit. Now it's at a more northerly direction because the lows move south. Here's the low here. Cold front. Right along here, with moisture streaming up from the deep Pacific, right into Sierras, lots of snow, lots of rain, and everyone's having fun. Then it moves toward the south, toward the LA area, SoCal, as you could say. Also, here's Nevada getting a nice amount of snow. I did not mean to do that. No. As we move on, parts of Utah. Why stop doing this? Parts of Utah and also Nevada are getting some well-needed drought relief that is happening right now. So we are now going to look at the precipitation for this storm. Oh, oops, yeah. I accidentally clicked on the 24-hour precipitation. That happens. You need to click on total accumulated precip so you know that you're getting total amount. Okay. So if you're in the Central Valley, around in here, you're probably going to get 2 to 4 inches of rain, especially more if you live south central here because that's where the jet's going to stall. You can see the traces of where it's going to stall right here. You see all the mountain snow it's causing in this area. And the well-needed drought relief, it will help a little bit places for this entire area, which is in drought. There's my phone doinking. Yep. SoCal getting some rain, but not a lot. This is mostly a NorCal, middle Cal storm, if you will. And now we're gonna look at the total amount, the total snowfall depth change. And you can see here, it's up to 60 inches in the Central Sierra and probably more in the alpine regions of the South Central Sierra. And that equates to, 5 feet of snow which is a lot, even for these mountains that get lots of snow every year. A lot of snow. Coast Range getting a lot of snow. Some of the mountains in SoCal getting a lot of snow too. Lower Cascades and Shasta area getting a lot of snow here. And that's it for looking at GFS. Now we're going to look at the 7-day forecast this is just generic for downtown Sacramento. You can see there's a flash flood watch starting at, it just started. It goes all the way through Thursday for heavy rain. The worst day is going to be tonight, actually. It's going to be heavy rain and wind between 3/4 and 1 inch possible. Winds could go as high as 55 miles per hour. That is not normal here. Maybe normal where you live. You get severe weather. We don't get severe weather. And so that is going to be interesting. See if the power goes out in the night. You can see Wednesday, half 3/4 of an inch. Wednesday, 1/10 and 1/4 of an inch possible. And then Wednesday night, half 3/4 of an inch. Thursday, we also have some rain. Thursday night, we have some rain. Rain all the time, but we're just talking about these next couple days. Now we're going to check out a place called Camino up here near Apple Hill. I like to look at it to gauge where we are for the snowfall. So because as you can see, the system is going to start very cold with snow all the way down to 3,000 feet. And then it's going to taper off and get warmer and then be all rain once we get to Wednesday night into Thursday. We can see 6 to 10 inches in Camino tonight, which is a lot for them. 1 to 3 inches on Wednesday, 1 to 2 inches Wednesday night. So all said and done, you'll probably get 8 to 12 inches of snow, I would assume, in Camino. Next, we're going to go with the Pollock Pines. Up the hill just a little bit, but an elevation up more than 1,000 feet. Actually, exactly 1,000 feet. So you can see here that snow consisted into Wednesday. Also tonight. Also into tonight, Wednesday, night, Thursday, chance of snow every day. 7 to 11 inches possible tonight, 4 to 8 inches Wednesday, 1 to 3 inches Wednesday night, and then not much more. So So in total, I'd say probably like 12 to 18 inches of snow for the Pollock Pines area. Next, we're going to look at Twin Bridges, which is way up, 6,000 feet in elevation. They're all snow the entire time, and there is a blizzard warning. That's how serious it's going to be. There's a blizzard warning. Tonight, there can be up to 13 to 19 inches. On Wednesday, 14 to 20. On Wednesday night, 19 to 25. And on Thursday, 14 to 20 inches of snow possible. And then Thursday night, 6 to 10. So just an absurd amount of snow. And that's only at 6,000 feet. So anywhere higher than 6,000 feet is going to get this amount of snow, which is insane. This does not happen very often. So there's 1.5 feet. Here's another 1.5 feet. Yeah, just insane amounts of snow. That's 3 feet. Maybe, yeah. Like 5 to 6 feet of snow is possible here. And then you look at the high peaks. I'm looking at Crystal Range here. And they're really high, above 9,000 feet. Well, this one's at 8337, but same thing. 18 to 24 inches snow. 17 to 23, 18 to 24, 11 to 17, 5 to 9. Just tons of snow. Lots of it. Yeah, it's gonna be really good for the drought. Really good for people who like to ski. And yeah. If there's anything else that you guys want me to cover, I will take a look at it if you comment it. Thank you for viewing this video.